shouted slogans Bharat Mata ki Jai, that has become offense under 153A. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಶೌಟಿಂಗ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಶೌಟ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್? If there was threat, they are injured and they are in the hospital, their statement is taken in the, that's correct?
That's correct.
Their statement is taken in the hospital. They are the ones who were beaten by the complainants.
Exactly.
To
Not by the
escape.
complainants.
Yes, sir.
Not by the
Whoever,
complainant.
nobody knows who did, and nobody knows who were shouting the slogans. Ella a haze. In that haze, you give a complaint saying that these people have done.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Your 307, ಇವ್ರು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
What is the crux of the complaint?
the
That
fact-
they came before us and shouted Bharat Mata.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ki
that
Jai.
is-
Incident has happened. That is why they have registered 307, sir.
ಅವ್ರದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ.
correct,
I'm not
correct,
saying
ma'am.
anything.
I've been told, my lord.
ಅವ್ರದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. Their complaint is they came before this place and started shouting slogans Bharat